Hey guys, it's Sean again. Anyways, yet another eBay coupon that I got. I got 3 eBay coupons last week, believe it or not. This was the second one. So I did another order to Mirage Trading for another box of 15-16 Premier. So we'll see what we get here. Mirage Trading again, like I said. So let's see if they give out a free goodie here in the box. Yep, more National Hockey Card Day stuff. An empty box here. Okay, here. What do we have here? Okay, another Vegas Golden Knights pack. Oh, 2017 and 2018 National Hockey Card Day. Okay. Let's open these up real quick. Got Braden McNabb, Brandon Lepsick, and Oscar Lindbergh. Alright. Go to the 2017 hockey card pack first. Ooh, Mike Bossy, Sidney Crosby, Patrick Laine, Wayne Gretzky, and Jonathan Toews. Last but not least, the 2018 pack. Pierre-Luc Dubois, Daryl Sittler, Mark Scheifele, Nolan Patrick, and Mario Lemieux. So nothing earth-shattering in those free packs. Let's do this. The Connor McDavid autograph patch would definitely make my day. I haven't gotten much of anything for Connor McDavid in any of my boxes in quite some time here. I'm not talking necessarily a big hit, but pretty well any kind of a hit. There we go. So let's open this sucker, and hopefully we'll get something really nice. Okay, we're starting off with a Connor Hellebuyck jersey card. Mike McCarron rookie, 331 out of 399. A James Van Riemsdyk base card. Serial number 292 out of 399. Okay, that's not bad. Another Mike McCarron, 182. Yes, that's 102 out of 375. Decent two-color patch. So what do we have behind here? Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay, it's not number 31 out of 489, but yeah, an on-card autograph of Carey Price. Already got one of these in my collection, so this is probably going to go on eBay, but still, nice. It's too bad it's not 31 out of 49, otherwise, oh boy, that'd be nice. Regardless, can't complain. Okay, we got a Premier Teammates jersey card. It's that 90 out of 99 of Ryan O'Reilly, Rasmus Ristolainen, and Sam Reinhart, and... Oh, okay. A Duels, 99 out of 149. Mike Condon and Connor Hellebuyck. Okay. So to recap, the Connor Hellebuyck jersey card. O'Reilly, Ristolainen, and Sam Reinhart, a Buffalo Sabres jersey card, 90 out of 99. The Carey Price autograph patch, 34 out of 49. Mike McCarron rookie autograph patch, 102 out of 375. James Van Riemsdyk base card, 292 out of 399. Mike McCarron rookie, 351 out of 399. It's again the Connor Hellebuyck, Mike Condon Duels jersey, 99 out of 149. Nice. So, anyways, guys, this will probably be going on eBay before too long. I already have a Carey Price autographed patch in my collection, so Yeah. Beautiful. Anyways, guys, if you want to contact me, you know what to do. Go to my eBay at 383 Sean, or go to my blog on steemit.com at Sean Giroux. Sean spelled S-H-A-U-N. And I'll probably be doing another video here by the end of the week, so we'll talk to you guys soon. Happy collecting. Have a good one. Bye-bye.